right, this is our 10-yard trailer. See a little size comparison to the pickup truck. Holds a decent amount. It is 6 feet wide, 12 feet long, 4 foot high walls, 10 cubic yards. This is perfect for residential projects today. They were ripping apart a deck and some old interior, kitchen cabinets, stuff like that. So if you guys need dumpster rentals, number 727-264-5536. We service all of Pinellas County and some of Tampa, all of South Tampa, and it just depends on what you need. We do junk removal too, but this is a good view of the 10-yard dumpster rental in action. And you can fill it with construction debris, yard waste, general junk removal, hoarder house cleanouts, whatever you want. This one starts at $295 at the moment. Obviously that could change in the future, but as of now in July 2024, this is $295 for a 1 to 5 day rental. So if you guys need any services, I will link the website below. And yeah, have a good one.